Nestled in a mountainous region 180 kilometers from São Paulo, the Mororó House stands as an architectural response to the chilly climate that defines the area. Known for its low temperatures, the region's conditions heavily influence the design, which aims to provide warmth and comfort within its expansive interior spaces. The heart of the home is the cozy living room, a place of refuge from the cold, and an enclosed bathhouse with a heated pool, where panoramic views of the surrounding landscape can be enjoyed without leaving the comfort of the indoors. Encased in a sleek skin of glass, this bathhouse offers a luxurious blend of nature and modern comfort, allowing residents to soak in the serene atmosphere while being shielded from the elements. Inside the Mororó House, the choice of materials plays a crucial role in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Wood, a material traditionally associated with mountain chalets, dominates the interior, lending a sense of coziness and comfort. The kitchen, a central feature of the home, was designed to be integrated with the surrounding spaces through the use of wooden sliding doors. These doors can be fully opened, allowing the kitchen to blend seamlessly with the living areas and fostering a sense of openness and continuity throughout the house. The design of the Mororó House not only prioritizes simplicity and functionality, but also responds to the everyday needs of its residents. The central spaces, designed for daily living, anchor the layout and provide a sense of order and flow within the home. Whether relaxing by the fireplace, swimming in the heated pool, or enjoying a summer day on the deck, the Mororó House offers a harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor living that adapts to both the climate and the lifestyle of its inhabitants. This house is more than just a shelter from the cold. It is a thoughtfully designed retreat that celebrates its natural surroundings while offering comfort and warmth year-round. The project's original premise was to achieve a quick and cost-effective construction. To meet this goal, the architects employed industrialized solutions, such as metal structures and steel frame walls, which streamlined the building process. Despite the high rainfall typical of the region, the site remained clean throughout construction, a testament to the efficiency of the methods used. Unlike traditional Brazilian construction practices, many elements of the house were assembled on-site rather than built from scratch, further reducing construction time. Even with the difficult access to the site, the house was completed in less time than expected, showcasing the practicality and innovation of the architectural approach. Externally, the Mororó House presents a fascinating duality between opaque and transparent volumes. The opaque block, which houses the living rooms, bedrooms, and service areas, offers privacy and protection, while the transparent stretch, devoted to the heated pool and sauna, embraces the natural surroundings. This contrast is both functional and aesthetic, with the solid, opaque elements providing insulation and the glass-enclosed areas fostering a seamless connection to the outdoors. The house's volumetric form is the result of a 65-meter extrusion of a classic icon house shape, complete with a pitched roof that enhances its silhouette. The integration of an outdoor wooden deck, which serves as a solarium during the warmer months, further expands the living space and offers a sunny retreat in the summer. At 50 meters long, the opaque section of the house minimizes openings to maximize energy efficiency and maintain a comfortable internal temperature. Sliding doors along this stretch allow for easy access to the outdoors and a sense of flow between the interior and exterior spaces. This careful balance between solid and open spaces along the facade enhances thermal performance, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. The transparent portion of the house, which measures 14 meters, was thoughtfully designed to address the challenges of condensation that might arise from the heated pool. Special attention to ventilation ensures that the glass remains clear, preserving the unobstructed views that are a key feature of the home's design. One of the unique aspects of the Mororó House is its location. While the clients initially desired a home perched atop the rugged terrain, the architects chose to place the house at the lowest point of the site, within a beautiful pine forest. This decision created a more intimate connection with the landscape, allowing the house to be enveloped by nature rather than standing apart from it. The result is a serene retreat that feels deeply rooted in its environment, with the towering trees providing both a sense of privacy and a natural buffer against the elements.